Hello students, I am Vijay Kumar Patel, PGT Chemistry, JNV Golaghat, Assam. Today I am here with the discussion for class 11 for first unit. First unit is some basic concepts of chemistry. So here students, today's topic is rounding off. Rounding off means if in the given number there are 5, 6 or so many digits are there, then if we want to reduce the digits, means if in a number there are 5 digits and we want to write that number up to 4 digits, then we have to remove one digit. So how can we remove that digit? We can't directly remove that digit. We have to follow some rules. Okay, so to remove that digit, the rules which should be followed are first rule number 1. It is, if the digit which is going to be removed, if the digit which is going to be removed is less than 5. Remember this thing. What? If that digit is less than 5, then there will be no change in its earlier number. What does it mean? It means, take an example, this is a digit 98.134. It has 5 digits. We have to convert this number, or we have to write this number up to 4 digits. Okay, so to write in 4 digits, we have to remove this 4. So to remove this 4, see the rule. If this digit, this 4, if it is less than 5, then there is no change in its previous number or its preceding number, its earlier number. So if this digit is less than 5, then there will be no change. Okay, this is the first rule. Second rule, if this digit is now more than 5, then add 1 into its preceding digit. It means, here take an example, 137. Here we have to remove this 7. Okay, to remove this 7, we have to see the rule. Since this is more than 5, so if it is more than 5, then we will add 1 in previous number. So its preceding number is 3. So we will add 1 in this 3. So this 3 will be now 4. So the answer will be 98.14. So here, since this is more than 5, that's why we are adding what? We are adding plus 1 into this 3. Okay, so that's why this is. So here students, we have seen two conditions. If the digit is less than 5 and if the digit is more than 5. Okay, what happens if the digit is equal to 5? Then rule number 3. Rule number 3 is, if the digit which is going to be removed is equal to 5, then no change in its earlier number if it is even, and add 1 in its earlier number if it is odd. It means, take an example, this is the number 98.145. Since this 5 is the number which is going to be removed, we have to remove this 5. So how can we remove? So that's why before 5, see the nature of this number. Is it even or odd? If it is even, if this number is what? If this number is even, then there will be no change. Answer is, directly you can remove 5. Answer is 98.14. If before this 5, since this is odd number, so if it is now odd number, then add plus 1 in 3, and now the answer will be 4, 98.14. So here are 3 rules. Simply, in a conclusion, we can say, if the digit is more than 5, add plus 1. less than 5, no change, equal to 5, then if even, no change, if odd, add 1. Okay, these are the rules for rounding off of the digits. Now homework. So homework is, this is your homework. Rounding off up to 4 digit. Number 1, question is 5.3189. Second is 5.3184. Third is 5.3145, and number fourth is 5.3135. Okay, write answer and send in my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. If you like my lecture, then please like and subscribe my video.